About 102 people turned out in Piedmont today to receive COVID-19 testing that was sponsored by the State Department of Public Health. This was the scene at the Piedmont Sportsplex where lines of cars formed before the testing even began. Robin Stubbs, who serves as the department's emergency preparedness coordinator for the Northern District, says that the numbers reflect the community's need for testing.
A lot of people in rural Alabama did not have the opportunity, nor do they have the resources to find out where clinics are. So it's just a lot easier if we let the locals advertise it and we come to them, and it's much more convenient. A lot of rural Alabama is older population as well, and they are scared to death to get out anywhere. So it's just a lot easier if we bring the testing to them.
Stubbs says that although some people seem to have let their guard down when it comes to the coronavirus, the public needs to remain aware of the threat of another major outbreak of this disease.
Obviously, because Alabama has opened back up and people have chosen not to change their behavior, which is the bottom line of all this. We've got to change our behavior forever. And with the protests going on, there's lots of folks in the protests that you can even see on TV that aren't following social distancing or wearing a mask. And so they're exposing themselves to they don't know what. So we probably will see, if they get tested, a rise in numbers. Trying to get the message out. We know everybody's tired of the same old message, but the message is change your behavior or get COVID-19 or any other disease. We can't go back to not washing our hands. We can't go back to not social distancing. We can't go back to hanging out in crowded places. We've got to learn to change our behavior for the future, not just for COVID-19, but for other diseases as well.